lives together? We could do that? That's sick, bro. 100%. We need to do that, bro. Going live on YouTube right now, boys. Yes, sir. Let's get it. I don't know if TikTok lives will do good though. We'll see. I have no following on TikTok. Yo, let's run that up tomorrow, Greg. Let's do them like every morning. That would be sick. That would be sick. But yeah, this shit's dookie though. I can't lie. Let's get it. Yo, what's good, Mark? What's good, Isaiah? What's good, Aiden? What's up, my boy? New camera position? Yeah, how is it? Shit's fire, right? So fire. Yes, sir, Mark. That's what I like to see, dog. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get everybody in this thing. We got crazy news today, boys. If I can find a setup after 10, I'll look for a potential setup. If not, I am not trading today. It is a huge day. We're not trading. I'm not trading this. This is crazy. Let's get it. Let's get it. We got a lot of news today. Yo, how do I save this? Don't know what to do. Oh shit. How do I save this? I don't know. Let's run it up though. Alright, you guys ready for our watch list? I don't know how to freaking see this. Yo, how do you guys like the new camera angle? Is it fire? Or what? Or what? What's up, Rye? Let's go, brother. One more day. Every day, man. Every single day we're at this stuff. Alright, I'm getting off of TikTok live. This shit's ass. That shit's ass. I wanted to try to go live on TikTok, but that thing sucks. After you screenshot, press the button next to the magnifying glass. There we go. Here we go. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, my boy. Let's get it. All right, we got 35 motherfuckers in here. What's up, Eli? What's up? PC looks sick. Thank you, bro. How do you guys fuck with the new camera angle? This shit's tough, isn't it? It's like you can see everything now, dude. I don't know. I just think it's fire. I'm definitely putting a hoodie on, though. It's cold as fuck. Cold as a bug. Cold as a bug, boy. All right, let's run it. Yes, sir. What's good, everybody? What's good? Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, everyone. Whole setup tough. Thank you, dog. I appreciate it. Let's go. All right, let's go over it. We got news at 10. So as you guys know, we're not trading until PMI comes out. And then if we can see a good setup before FOMC, we'll take it. If not, we're not trading at all today. I'm putting no risk on the table. Why put risk on the table when there's no reason to? When you could be risk free, when there could be better potential setups tomorrow that you can make money on. You know what I mean? Don't rush for the money. Get unattached from the money. The money's always going to be here. And man, dude, once you master the actual prediction of price with this, the money will start and smacking you in the face, bro. It'll start literally coming all over you, bro. It's it's that fucking weird. You know what I mean? So stop fiending for the bread. Stop trying to get every last trade and fit it in, even while you're at work, or if you're not sure, or this, if that, and then you're just trying to get another trade because this looks good, and then you just want another one, and then it's just like, bro, you are getting way too overconfident, and an unprofitable trader and overconfidence is the worst fucking duo in the world. So what you need to do is not fucking overtrade at all. You need to take 1 to 2 trades a day. Literally have it on my whiteboard. 1 to 2 trades a day, stick to a plan. I look at this shit every single day. I'm making sure I'm 100% disciplined at all times. Bro, you have to take this shit serious. And you'll never be profitable taking 13 trades a day because your emotions will be all over the place, dog. Live thumbnail looking fire. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. That's the first compliment I got on that. Appreciate that, my boy. Thank you. So, let's go over my bias on SPY. Of course, Apple is bullish now. We just broke above this big zone up here, this big rejection zone that we were looking at. We're breaking above this and breaking out right now. So, we could potentially take calls on Apple around this area on the 4-hour time frame. I would say at these highs. We'll wait for a pullback to these highs because you know that there's orders there. Where would that be at? That will be at this 1-hour FVG. So at this 1-hour fair value gap right here, this is exactly the most likely the best spot where we want to take calls. If we could see a good reaction out of here, we'll pull back to the 9 EMA. This could look good for calls. So I'm looking at Apple today. I want to see, like I said, a pullback to this 1-hour fair value gap or even this order block right here. If we can get a break of structure on the 5-minute time frame, which is a break of resistance. So let's say we end up coming down You know what I mean? Let's just give an example. Let's say we come down into the fair value gap. What is this? This line that I just drew. That's a downtrend now, right? We would be downtrending into this area to collect more orders to potentially go back up. How do we know that we're going to go back up? A higher high being built on the 5-minute time frame or the 15, whatever looks best for you. Personally, I like the 5-minute most likely. So when I see that 5-minute break of structure, that 5-minute trend break, then I wait for the pullback to the order block in this area or a fair value gap, stop loss below it. And that's a great risk to reward and a good probability setup. And why is it a good probability setup? The biggest reason why it's the best probability and it's an A plus setup is because let's say if you enter right here, stop loss below, or like even right here, stop loss below, you're targeting all of this. Let's say your stop loss gets hit. What does that mean? That means it's just continuing in the fucking downtrend and your bias was wrong. Do better, figure it out, and get on the charts the next day. Don't try to overtrade it and then catch it to the downside, because then next thing you know, you'll get stopped out and then it'll actually go in your direction. And then, bro, it's too much to even think about. So what you need to do is you need to strictly take 1 to 2 trades a day. Find the setups that you like, take them, and move on with your day and learn. It's as simple as that. What's the difference in trading in different time frames? Because each time frame is a time for how long that candle is open for. So the 5-minute time frame, the candlesticks are open for 5 minutes. Vice versa, 15-minute time frame. All of these candlesticks are worth 15 minutes worth of time before every close. So the higher the time frame, the higher the power. The higher the time frame, it's a stronger candle. It's showing you what structure and market we're in. So like if you look on the 5-minute right now, this could look sideways, or like it could just look like weird. But if you look at the 4-hour, you know that we're in a higher time frame uptrend. So if it's telling us we're in a higher time frame uptrend, we could potentially continue to the upside. Me personally, I think that Apple's going to dump off the start because we are sweeping out these highs. We're sweeping out all-time highs right now. Like we're literally at all-time highs and we're trending on them. Like we're right here. Boom. You see how we're sweeping all-time highs? If you remember this in the Discord, I'm giving it like I really think this is gonna dump. I think this is gonna dump 100%. I'm gonna see a setup after 10 a.m. after PMI. If I don't get a setup, then I'm not trading. What's the difference in read that? But yeah, that's for Apple. For Tesla, Tesla's just on a freaking move, my guy. Tesla is on the move, on the go. So for Tesla, like let's look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour has a huge imbalance that we may want to fill. Huge fair value gap down here. Look, most of the fair value gaps got filled. Maybe not this one, but these got filled, this got filled, and now we have a huge gap down here. So we could potentially come into this, or we may want to strictly just stay in this fair value gap and make a move off of that. If we can get a 5-minute break of structure to the upside, we can catch Tesla calls and keep riding that shit to the upside. Now SPY's coming back up to all-time highs. We're bullish now. We have a 4-hour fair value gap we could see get tapped into. If we can get a good reaction out of that, what will we play? We're going to play calls. Why? Because we look bullish on the 4-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame looks bearish. Now we just broke structure and broke this recent low, and we closed below this gap. So this looks bearish for now until we get into this area around the 21 EMA. Remember, inside of the 4-hour fair value gap, if we can make a move off of here on the 5-minute, remember we always look at the higher time frames, but if we could dip down into here and then see a break of structure on the 5-minute time frame, we can continue the uptrend. Depending on how Apple's looking, depending on how the other tech stocks are looking in QQQ. Does that make sense? Yes, sir, Giovanni. I appreciate it. I'm probably not taking a trade today. If anything, I'm taking very low size. Maybe one trade. One trade in like 2 to 3 contracts. Not even. Nick, I potentially think we can continue to the upside because this order block that we're also coming into already got tapped. So this order block already got tapped into on the 4-hour. We are breaking these highs as of now. Like there's still the wicks, but there's no like order block up here that we're really coming into. I mean, you could still call this an order block, but it really depends. It depends how Apple's looking. If Apple is skyrocketing and breaking these highs, because Apple was on a lot of stock scanners for a breakout. Because if you look at the daily time frame is tightening up. Candles were closing, and then boom, we're breaking out. And that's usually what it looks like something like this. Tightening up, breakout. And then like tightening up, breakout. That's just how they work. So this was pulling back to the EMAs, tightening up, breaking out. So if Apple wants to continue to break to the upside, then obviously SPY is going to want to follow into that. As of now, SPY looks bullish as hell on the daily, bullish on the 4-hour. What do we have? I'm going to take the EMAs because they kind of distract. We do have a 4-hour fair value gap that I really like. So if that can get tapped into, it will look good. Now this is already tapping into the 4-hour fair value gap. Hughes is reacting actually pretty well so far off of this. 4-hour fair value gap. The 1-hour did break structure though. So we'll see how we look at 10. It's like you can't really give the biggest bias until 10, at least for me. So for NVDA, I think NVIDIA could look good to the upside. I'm not going to lie. I think NVIDIA is sweeping out these lows on the 4-hour. And then the 1-hour just broke structure to the upside with big bullish candles. I think this could potentially look good. It depends. We still are creating like a big resistance, if you guys can see. You know what I mean? We're still creating huge resistance. So until I can see maybe the hourly candle close above all of these highs right here, I will not take. How do I exit full screen, bro? What the fuck? Jump in. Yeah, so about these highs right here, that's what I want to see for NVIDIA. NVIDIA could look good to the upside. NVIDIA really could look good. If we can get some, it depends how news comes out. If news comes out bullish and we're looking good and we break structure with the 1-hour candle to the upside, it'll look real good. We need to see some highs get taken out. Yes, sir. What the market closes at 1. Am I correct or no? Pretty sure they close at 1. Make sure everyone's subscribed. I really appreciate it. What means a freaking ton to me, and it doesn't make me money. It doesn't really do too much for me. It just gives me reassurance. Anytime I post a video, if you guys can simply just like and comment on YouTube, like, yo, it means the fucking world. Also, I haven't been updating the Robinhood, but the Robinhood's doing pretty well. Can't lie, I made 116 yesterday on that, and then I also have my own account on where the fuck is it at? I gotta start updating the account. Took this bitch from 500 to 1700 already. Let's get it. I have not been updating it. I've been fucking slacking like a motherfucker with that. It's kind of just a thing that I did with my Discord. I don't really want to promote it on Reels anymore. I think I really want to just promote it on Twitter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the bio. If you guys don't want to follow it, you don't have to. I post on Twitter. Like, look at all the shit that I post on Twitter. Like, only 15 likes. My boys are not grinding. My Twitter's right in the chat, but I post just a bunch of motivational shit and then the account challenge. This was June 24th, so this was a long time ago, right? I took this over fucking another, what? What's 1,000 so far? I'm almost at 2 bands on this account. So I would appreciate it if you guys keep up with that. I'm going to update it today. I gotta actually set an alarm. Set an alarm for 11 p.m. to update account. Fuck. I already forgot what I had to update, bro. I am so lost. Set an alarm for 11 p.m. to update account challenge. I've been working so fucking hard, dude. I'm just like, oh my goodness. So like I said, NVDA looks potentially good to the upside, or it depends what we do. If we want to sweep out these highs right here, like on the 1 hour, if we want to come up, sweep out these highs, and then make a break of structure to the downside, remember, we're creating resistance. We're on a downtrend right now. So I'll just not fight the trend and just continue the downtrend. How's Amazon looking? I've never had Twitter X, but maybe today's the day. Let's go. I appreciate that. You're a goat. You're a goat. I think Amazon potentially looks good to the downside after sweeping out these 4 hour and daily highs. As you guys can see, we're coming up to daily highs right here. 4 hour highs are getting swept. Yeah, there's a lot of news. I am not trading until 10 a.m., boys. I'm not trading until 10 a.m. And then in between 10 and 10:30, if I do not see a setup, I'm hopping off and I'm pumping the fuck out of my chest at the gym. I'm hitting chest like a motherfucker. And I'm just going to work all fucking day. I'm going to go on a run. I'm not sitting on here. And then I'm actually going to film a bunch of videos. Yo, would you guys like to watch if I posted educational reels like my other one? Like basically me talking about just stuff on the charts and opinions and just stuff about our strategy, maybe risk management tips, just basically like tips and tricks. I feel like that shit would be pretty fire. Instead of just me yapping all the time, I still like talking. I'm not gonna lie, I'll never stop talking. But I want to start posting like educational videos. Please, bro. Bet. Cold tub today? I still gotta buy it. I've been procrastinating on that. I've been just, dude, I'm not gonna lie. I had the biggest headache yesterday, guys. I had 15 hours of screen time. Someone can tell me that's bad, whatever. I just can't stop grinding. But I've been working on the fucking inner circle program like a motherfucker. I've had, like, you guys realize I don't have a team behind me. Most people, I don't know if you guys know this, but most traders and most like influencers have a whole team. Like they have people doing everything for them. Me, like I can name everything. I edit my videos. I have to trade. I have to journal my trades. I have to update my Discord. I have to respond to DMs. I have to respond to my inner circle members. I had to onboard them. I took every single call. Plus, I have to actually have a life. I have to hit the gym. I have to eat. What else do I have to do, bro? There's so many other things. I have to post YouTube videos. I've been posting Mind Over Markets, struggling a little bit, but and then I have to post reels, and I have to post TikToks, and I update on Twitter. Like, dude, you have to realize, dog, I do this all by myself, and I try my best. That's why, like, it's fucking annoying when I like haven't updated the fucking account challenge. My shit's at 1,700 though. Like, I'm not lying. If someone doesn't believe me, fucking, this is not a fake fucking thing. My account went from 500 and now I'm at 1,700. I've been trading on this, showing you guys my updates every single day. Tell me I haven't. Like maybe not the past week, but like you guys see me winning. Like I have not taken fat losses, have I? Like I'll take a loss every once in a while, bro. It's fucking trading. If you don't think we're gonna lose, then you're fried. But other than that, I don't even. I appreciate it, right? But I don't even like hiring people right now. I'm not. big enough to the point where I want to hire people. Plus, I like doing stuff by myself. And if anything, I don't think I'd want to hire too many people from my chat. If I'm going to hire someone, it's going to be my family. I always wanted to retire my family and make my family work for them, work for me. I appreciate that because a lot of people DM me. You don't know how many people say, "Can I work for you?" I would love to. If you want me to be completely honest, everyone in this chat was probably that person or is that person saying, I need work. Can I help you? Can I work for you? Listen, I was that kid too. I was in everyone's DMs trying to find a job, trying to find work for someone. I wanted that easy way out. Just an opinion, because I was that same exact way. The hard work that you're avoiding, or the success that you're looking for, is in the hard work that you're avoiding. I literally put that on here. Where did I put it? Somewhere. I literally put that on my Twitter. The hard work that you're avoiding is in the success that you're looking for. Or the success, bro, I said it backwards again. You guys know what I mean, bro. The success that you're looking for is in the hard work that you're avoiding. So stop avoiding the hard work. Keep going and fucking grinding like a motherfucker. And it'll come to you. I've had sleepless nights, early mornings. Man, it's all gonna come true, dog. I can promise you. How much do I go in the trade? Around 5 to 600. So like three to 5 contracts. I am not risking 5 to 600. I'm risking about $75 to $100 maybe. It's an account challenge, so my risk management rules aren't exactly the same. But yeah, all right. I'm gonna hop off here. I'm gonna go on Discord. Yeah, incorporating your family into the business is one of the smartest moves. Yeah, for sure, man. That's all I want to do. I don't want random. I'm not saying random people, but I just feel I would feel more comfortable. I have more trust in my family than other people. You know what I mean? That I don't even know their favorite color. Not saying I can't get to know people, but I definitely just want my closest friends, my best friends, people that saw me grow up and saw me grow as a person. That's the people that I probably want in my life forever. Yes. I don't even really want friends. I'm not going to lie. I want family and business partners. Simple as that. All of my close friends that are going to be with me in the future are basically called my family. That's kind of what I say. But yeah, fuck it. That doesn't really matter. I will see you boys in the Discord. Let's fucking run it up. Let's get hype, baby. I'm about to down this coffee in like 3 seconds before I get on Discord. Because I need to get pumped up, baby. Let's get